Imagine you are a buyer. When a supplier asks you for a price increase, is it a good idea to reply, "How can you justify it?" Even though this sounds like a good idea, it may not be the most effective reply. My name is Giuseppe Conti, I am a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Let me explain to you why replying in such a way is not the most effective way. Because as of the moment that you ask the supplier for a justification, you are already opening the doors for a price increase. Then it may be the full increase or a partial increase depending on how good is the justification, but an increase is going to take place. So a more effective first reply may be something like, how can we work together to make sure that we are not going to have any price increase? Or you may reply, we are not going to be able to accept any price increase. If you do get involved in the discussion on a price increase, let me share with you also 3 strategies that you can use to deal with price increase requests. The first one, look at the supplier past behavior. For instance, when the raw material prices went down, did they actually offer you a price decrease or the prices remained stable? Second idea, consider offering something in return for price stability. For instance, a longer-term contract or additional business opportunities. Third idea, delay the increase. So if you're not able to block the request for price increase, you can try to implement it as late as possible. You may say something like, the final prices to our customer are fixed for this fiscal year. I'm not in the position to have a price increase for the time being. To summarize, if you want to fight a price increase, look at the supplier past behavior, consider offer something in return, or delay the price increase. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.